Welcome to Sweden, a land of opportunities. Hello, future Swedes. Sweden is a country that seamlessly blends tradition with modernity. From its rich cultural heritage to its cutting-edge innovations, Sweden offers a unique experience for everyone. Sweden is calling, promising a blend of innovative work culture and stunning natural beauty. Imagine working in a place where creativity and efficiency go hand in hand, and where the natural landscape is just as inspiring as the urban environment. Imagine a life with a healthy work-life balance, surrounded by forests and lakes. Here you can enjoy outdoor activities like hiking, fishing and skiing, all while maintaining a fulfilling career. The Swedish lifestyle encourages you to take time for yourself and your loved ones. This guide will walk you through getting a work visa and starting your Swedish adventure. From understanding the visa requirements to finding the right job, we will provide you with all the information you need to make your transition as smooth as possible. Sweden is a leader in technology, design and sustainability. The country is home to some of the world's most innovative companies and is at the forefront of sustainable living. Whether you're interested in tech, design or environmental science, Sweden has a place for you. It offers a high standard of living and a welcoming atmosphere for newcomers. The Swedish social system ensures that everyone has access to healthcare, education and other essential services. This makes it an ideal place for families and individuals alike. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, Sweden has something for you. The country values diversity and inclusivity, making it a great place to grow both personally and professionally. So why wait? Start your journey to Sweden today and discover all the opportunities that await you. Your ticket to work Swedish work visas. Want to work in Sweden? You'll need a Swedish work permit. This visa allows you to live and work in Sweden for a specific time. There are other types of visas, but the work permit is the most common for those seeking employment. We'll focus on this visa throughout the guide. Are you eligible? Checking the essentials. Before you apply, make sure you meet the basic requirements. You'll need a valid job offer from a Swedish company. This means that a company based in Sweden must extend an official job offer to you. It's not just any job offer. It must be from a legitimate and recognized Swedish business. This is crucial because it ensures that your employment is legal and recognized by Swedish authorities. A Swedish company must offer you a job. Sufficient salary is another key requirement. You must earn enough to support yourself in Sweden. This means your salary should be in line with Swedish standards and sufficient to cover your living expenses. The Swedish Migration Agency has specific guidelines on what constitutes a sufficient salary, so make sure to check those details. You must earn enough to support yourself in Sweden. Health insurance is also mandatory. You need insurance to cover medical expenses. This is important because healthcare in Sweden, while excellent, can be expensive without proper insurance. Make sure your health insurance policy is valid in Sweden and covers all necessary medical treatments. You need insurance to cover medical expenses. A valid passport is another essential requirement. Your passport must be valid for your entire stay in Sweden. This means that if your job contract is for 2 years, your passport should not expire before that period ends. It's always a good idea to have a passport with a validity that extends a few months beyond your planned stay. Your passport must be valid for your entire stay. Meeting these criteria is the first step towards your Swedish work adventure. Ensuring you have all these essentials in place will make the application process smoother and increase your chances of success. So, double-check everything, gather your documents, and get ready for an exciting journey to Sweden. Meeting these criteria is the first step towards your Swedish work adventure. With the right preparation, you'll be well on your way to starting a new chapter in your professional life in Sweden. Step by step, navigating the application. Ready to apply? Let's dive into the details of how you can successfully navigate the application process for a Swedish work permit. Let's break down the process. It might seem daunting at first, but with a clear understanding of each step, you'll find it manageable and straightforward. Secure a job offer. The first and most crucial step is to secure a job offer from a Swedish company. This company must be willing to sponsor your visa. It's essential to research and apply to companies that are open to hiring international talent. Networking can also play a significant role here, so don't hesitate to reach out to professionals in your field. Gather your documents. Once you have a job offer, the next step is to gather all necessary documents. This includes your passport, job offer letter, and other required paperwork such as proof of qualifications and previous work experience. Make sure all your documents are up to date, and in order to avoid any delays in the process, submit your application online. With your documents ready, you can now submit your application online through the Swedish Migration Agency website. The website is user-friendly and provides detailed instructions on how to fill out the application form. Take your time to ensure all information is accurate and complete. Pay the application fee. There is a fee associated with the application process. This fee can vary depending on the type of work permit you are applying for. Make sure to have a valid credit card or other payment method ready to complete this step. Wait for processing. After submitting your application and paying the fee, the next step is to wait for the processing. The processing time can vary depending on several factors, including the volume of applications being processed at the time. It's important to be patient and avoid making any travel plans until your visa is approved. Attend biometrics appointment if needed. In some cases, you might be required to attend a biometrics appointment. This involves providing your fingerprints and a photo. The Swedish Migration Agency will notify you if this step is necessary. Make sure to attend the appointment on the scheduled date to avoid any delays. Receive your visa. Once your application is approved, you will receive your work permit. This permit allows you to legally work in Sweden for the duration specified. Keep your work permit in a safe place, and make sure to renew it before it expires if you plan to continue working in Sweden. Remember, this is a simplified explanation. The actual process may involve additional steps or requirements depending on your specific situation. It's always a good idea to stay informed and up to date with the latest information. Consult the Swedish Migration Agency website for detailed instructions. The website is a valuable resource that provides comprehensive information on the application process, required documents, fees, and processing times. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to contact the Swedish Migration Agency directly. While you wait, exploring Swedish wonders. The visa process takes time, so why not use this opportunity to discover Sweden from afar? Imagine strolling through Stockholm's charming Gamla Stan, exploring the Vasa Museum, or hiking in the breathtaking Swedish Lapland. Success! Welcome to your new home. Congratulations, you've received your work permit and are ready to embark on your Swedish journey. Packing your bags. Remember to bring warm clothes for the winter and light attire for the summer. Upon arrival, you'll need to register with the Swedish Tax Agency and obtain a Swedish personal identity number. This number is essential for opening a bank account, accessing healthcare, and more. Adapting to Swedish life. Sweden might feel different at first, but embrace the change. Swedes are generally reserved but friendly. Learn some basic Swedish phrases. It goes a long way. Embrace the concept of fika, a coffee break with pastries, often enjoyed with colleagues. It's a great way to socialize and integrate into Swedish culture. Swedish work culture emphasizes work-life balance, equality, and collaboration. Expect a flat hierarchy where everyone's opinion is valued. Meetings are usually efficient and to the point. Punctuality is crucial and communication is direct and honest. Don't be afraid to ask questions and share your ideas. Sweden offers endless opportunities for exploration. From the archipelago islands to the northern lights, there's something for everyone. Take advantage of Sweden's efficient public transportation to visit neighboring countries like Denmark and Norway. Embrace the outdoors, go hiking, kayaking, or skiing depending on the season. Navigating a new country can be overwhelming. Luckily, many resources are available to help you settle in. Swedish Migration Agency, your go-to source for visa information. Skatteverket, the Swedish Tax Agency, for tax registration and personal identity numbers. Försäkringskassan, the Swedish Social Insurance Agency, for information on social security benefits. These resources provide valuable information and support throughout your stay in Sweden. Getting a work visa for Sweden might seem daunting, but with careful planning and this guide, you're well on your way. Embrace the process and soon you'll be enjoying fika with colleagues amidst Sweden's stunning landscapes. Subscribe to our newsletter for more tips on traveling and working in Europe. We're here to support you every step of the way.